All right, welcome back to another edition of the FOGO Live. Today we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna leave the pork, we're gonna leave the brisket, we're gonna leave all the meats aside. We're gonna make something really fun today. Grilled watermelon pizza. Don't go away, don't go away. Try it, I promise you. Try it, you're gonna like it. 98% of the people that have tried it really enjoy it. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna take a slice of watermelon, we're gonna grill it, we're gonna put some feta cheese on it, we're gonna put some seasonings, some onions, some cilantro, pickled onions. It's going to be delicious. We're going to throw it on the MiniMax on a direct heat, and we're going to see how great it is. When you throw that watermelon on there, it gets that nice caramelization from the sugars in the watermelon. Oh, it's so good. So let's get started. Let's go light a fire first, shall we? All right, here's a cool little trick. Here we go. Boom. First shot. All right, time to cut our melon. We gotta have a sharp knife. That's not a knife. That's a knife. Got my Route 83 slicer here. So we're gonna cut it, we wanna cut this piece right out of the center. Okay, so we're gonna cut it straight down. Ah! Accident, accident. Spill on aisle 3. It happens, folks. See, it happens. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's going to make a beautiful pizza right there, okay? So we're going to oil it. Once we oil it, we're going to set it directly on the grates, right over a direct fire. Like I said, get some nice grill marks on this sucker, put some nice flavorful summer toppings on it, and have some fun with it, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, the grill's nice and hot. So what we want to do, put a little olive oil on here. I use olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, sunflower, grapeseed, whatever you want. It doesn't matter, okay? Give it a nice coat. Boom. Oh, see, you got a nice hot fire. Just put it on there. All right, look at that smoke. Oil both sides, because we're going to flip it. Press down on it too. You want to get some nice grill marks. You want to make sure your grill is nice and hot. You want those beautiful grill marks on here. You ever heard of watermelon pizza? Good Lord, that's crazy. We got this beautiful feta cheese, and once we flip it, we're going to put this on it. We're going to close the dome, let that feta cheese get nice and creamy. That's going to really be nice. We're going to add some cilantro, some pickled onions. Finish it off with balsamic glaze. Oh my God, I can taste it already. I can't wait. Let's see what we're looking like. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All right, it's nice and hot. We just flipped it. Take our feta cheese. You can use any kind you want. Cajita cheese, cotija cheese, you know, anything you want. Use any. I like a creamier kind of cheese. I like something that's a little bit rich for this. So cover it up good. It's a pizza. Have fun with it. Cover it, cover it. You know, the more you have, the more flavor you're gonna get out of it. This is a nice salty cheese. It really interacts well with the sweetness from the melon. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. I like to add the toppings at the end though, the rest of it, because you want this to really melt down and get nice and gooey. Like, it's not gonna melt down like a mozzarella would, all right, but it's gonna be real good. So we close it up, let that get nice and melty. Okay, so our watermelon pizza's been cooking for a while. Oh yeah. See, the cheese is just starting to turn a little bit light brown. See how that is right there? That's how you know it's nice and gooey, and when you got some bounce back to it, that's really good. So we can take our toppings, all right? We're gonna put some pickled onions on there. Nothing but flavor on this baby. Load them on. The more the merrier. Okay? Look at that, beautiful. I got cilantro. You can use basil. You can use mint. Mint is really good, especially with the feta. Okay? This is gonna be really tasty. And now, the piece that's absolutely necessary. You need balsamic glaze. Not balsamic vinegar, but balsamic glaze. So you're gonna put that all over it. Just go back and forth. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. And there you have it, folks. Watermelon pizza. I say we take it over and dig in. What do you think? I thought so. Okay, so our watermelon pizza is all done, and it is looking fantastic. We've got a nice coat of balsamic on there, the cheese, the onions, the cilantro, the fresh herbs. My gosh, it's gonna be so good. So I think the only thing left to do now is take a bite. How about that? Oh my God. the way that that salty feta mixes with the caramelization of the sugars on that watermelon, just, oh, it's so good. The freshness of the cilantro gives you that nice little bite, and those pickled onions, oh, that's where it's at right there, okay? Have some fun with your grilling. It doesn't have to be hamburgers, hot dogs, brisket, pork, chicken. Have some fun. Grill a dessert. Grill something like this. Your guests will love it. Labor Day's coming up. Great for that. Weekend barbecues. It's fun. You know what? The kids will love it. Adults will love it. What can I say? I love it. So I hope you do too. Grilled pizza watermelon, or grilled watermelon pizza. I know it sounds weird, but if you give it a try, I promise somebody's going to like it. All right, everybody that tells me, they say, "Oh, I don't know, Captain Ron. I don't know if I should try that." And I say, "Oh, give it a whirl," and they do. They always tell me. They say, "Man, I'm glad you pushed me to make that." So have some fun with it. Make up your own toppings. All right. If you make one and you post it somewhere, tag me. I'd love to see it. So, you know, I want to thank you for tuning in for this. We had a little bit of fun this week. Something a little different. I know. Some people are probably rolling their eyes going, "Ooh, I'm not trying that." It's good. So listen, hit like, give me a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you've tried it. Tell me if you want to try it. Tell me if you'll never want to try it. It's all good, okay? Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and give me a comment. And I just want to say thanks so much again. My name is Captain Ron 302, Ron Dimfelmeyer, and thanks again for tuning into the FOGO Life.